you're experiencing connection errors while playing Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes connection errors can be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game servers and resolve any temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, go to your library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3 and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test of trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the internet. Check your firewall settings to ensure Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed through, and add it to your antivirus exceptions if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors in Baldur's Gate 3. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!